Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Google Play Store on your Windows 10 PC. We will do this by installing a modified Windows subsystem for Android package from GitHub. Windows Subsystem for Android, or WSA, will also allow you to run Android apps on your PC. Before we begin, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. Your PC should support virtualization, and you should have at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. If you are unsure whether your PC supports virtualization, you can check this in Task Manager. Open Task Manager by pressing C to RRL plus Shift plus ESC, then go to the Performance tab. Under CPU, look for the virtualization status. If it says enabled, you are good to go. If not, you may need to enable it in your BIOS settings. First, you need to enable the Virtual Machine Platform feature. This is required to run Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows 10. Open the Windows Features page by searching for Turn Windows Features On or Off in the Start menu. Scroll down and look for Virtual Machine Platform. Check the box next to it. Click OK. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Next, download a modified WSA package from GitHub. Open your browser and type WSA builds GitHub in the search bar. Click on the link that leads to the GitHub page. On this page, look for the download link for Windows 10. Click on the Windows 10 x64 link. You will be redirected to another page. Here, click the first link to download the WSA package that includes Google Play Store. The file size may be large, so depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Make sure you have enough storage space on your PC before proceeding. A good practice is to have at least 5 GB of free space available. After the download is complete, extract the downloaded zip file. Before proceeding with the installation, it is important to move this WSA folder to a safe location. This is because you need to keep this folder on your PC as long as you want to use WSA. If you delete it, WSA will stop working. A good place to store it is in the CJ Program Files directory, or any other location where you store important software. Now open the WSA folder. Find the file named run.bat. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will start the installation of WSA on your PC. During the installation process, a command prompt window may appear. Do not close this window as it is running important setup commands. Depending on your system, the installation may take a few minutes. If you encounter any errors, try running the file again as an administrator. Once the installation is complete, it will automatically launch the Google Play Store. Before using it, close everything and restart your PC. Restarting will ensure that all changes take effect properly. After restarting, open the Play Store. Sign in with your Google account. If you do not have one, you can create a new account. Once signed in, you can download and install apps just like on an Android phone. To open installed apps, you can find them in the Start menu or by using Windows Search. You will also find them in the Windows Apps list. To uninstall an app, right-click on it in the Windows Apps list and select Uninstall. If you experience issues with the Play Store not opening or crashing, try enabling Developer Mode in WSA Settings. Open WSA from the Start menu, go to Settings and enable Developer Mode. Then restart your PC and try launching the Play Store again. This method allows you to run Android apps natively on Windows 10 without using an emulator. With Play Store support, you can install most Android apps directly on your PC. This can be useful for playing mobile games using Android-exclusive apps or testing app development. If you no longer need WSA, you can uninstall it by deleting the WSA folder and removing WSA from the Windows Features menu.